Hey everybody, it's Chauncey Hunter Jr. and I'm revisiting a question that I know I'm getting lots of feedback on, and this is asked in a different kind of way, so I want to address it and then talk about it from a different angle. The question is, what businesses or organizations with similar clients or profiles of people most likely to do business with my tax business can I leverage on an ongoing win-win joint venture relationship with? Let me say it again. I want to be real clear on the question. What businesses or organizations that have similar clientele or people that are most likely to want to do business with your particular tax business can I leverage an ongoing win-win joint venture with? Most people, when they hear that, that sounds good, but they don't know how to go about doing it. And so once you come up with 3, 4, 5 different companies, organizations, and you've targeted, you know who the president is, you know who the head person is that makes decisions, you know who they are, and if you don't already know them, put together a gift basket, put together a letter, a personal letter, send them a package and tell them, explain why you're doing it. You're doing it because you want to meet with them. You want to talk to them over the phone briefly, or meet with them in person at their place of business. They don't have to go anywhere. And actually take some time and explain to them, we have similar interests, and I see a win-win possibility. I do business with tax clients the same. You have similar clientele or similar people in your organization. I think there's probably a way we can do business together. And by the way, a lot of these kind of joint ventures are going on these days with recession. People are not, their business are slow. They're more open to this kind of thing now than they ever were before. And so that's just the initial introduction. But you don't do it to 100 people. You do it to 3 or 4 or 5. And there's key people. And one or two of these deals will go through and they'll be very, very profitable for you. Most people don't do this because it's extra work, and they think, well, if I just can't pick up the phone, call them cold, and work out something over the phone in 10 minutes, I don't even want to mess with it. Well, if that's your mentality, then forget what I'm talking about right now, because I'm talking about a 6-figure profit in your pocket kind of opportunity. I mean, there's large deals out there that are worthy of you spending a little bit of time with relationally and talking to and positioning yourself to be very helpful to this other organization, and then in return they would recommend or endorse you as the tax professional best suited for their clientele or for their people in their organization. Going to a little extra effort actually has the potential for a big payoff with the right kind of people. I believe that many tax professionals, if they think in terms before you even make that call or send it out, how you can help them. And it's not just helping their clientele, but how can you make a sweetheart deal for the owner, for the president, for the head of the organization? Asking them in your meeting or when you go meet them for lunch or whatever you do, what is it that they want? You focus in on what they want, and I promise you, if you can give it what they want, you'll get what you want as well, and you'll make a really, really a great win-win situation for you and them. If you enjoyed this short nugget of information on how to maximize your success in the tax business, I've got 20 more videos just like it. You go to www.taxmarketing.com/free videos. Thank you very much.